students, today's video lecture is based on class 10 mathematics, that is exercise number 9.1. In previous video lectures we have solved the question number 10, okay, but today we will start with question 11. The question 11 tells that a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point 20 meters away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and width of the canal. Question says that there is a canal. Suppose that this is the width of the canal and on the bank of this canal a TV tower stands. Suppose that AB is the TV tower, okay, and from another bank of this canal, that is suppose that point C, that is the second bank of this canal, and from this point the angle of elevation of the top of the TV tower is 60 degree and 20 meters away from this point. So suppose that there is a point D which is 20 meters away from the point C, that is 20 meters, and the angle of elevation from this point is 30 degree, okay. So join this with the top of the tower, that is 30 degree, that is the angle of elevation. Now we have to find out the value of height of the tower. Suppose that height of the tower is h, okay, and what is the width of the canal? That is suppose that x, okay. So there are two triangles. First is BAC and next is BAD, okay. We will go for the first triangle. For the solution in triangle BAC, we can apply tan. Here the angle of elevation is 60 degree, so write 60 equals to, that will be perpendicular upon base, and in place of perpendicular is height of the tower, that is AB. So write here AB divided by what is the base? AC. So write AC. That's equal to, in place of AB, that is the height of the tower h, and what is the base? AC is x. So write here x. Now what is the value of tan 60? That will be root 3 equals to h upon x, and hence h equals to x root 3. That is equation number first. Now in triangle BAD we can apply tan 30 degree, because here is the angle of elevation is 30 degree. So apply tan 30, that is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is h and base is, here is the x plus 20, okay, because this is the total base AD. So write here x plus 20. Write x plus 20. Now the value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, that is equal to h upon x plus 20. Now here will be x plus 20, that's equal to h root 3, And from equation number first, in place of h, we can put x root 3. So from equation first, by putting the value of h, so we can get x plus 20, that is equal to, in place of h we can put x root 3. So write here x root 3 and multiplied by also is here root 3. So write root 3 and that will be x plus 20, that is equal to 3x. Okay, because root 3 into root 3, that will be 3. So 3x, and here will be 2x, that's equal to 20 and x equal to 10 meter. At the value of x equal to 10 meter, that is the canal is 10 meter wide. That is the width of the canal. That is the first answer. And what is the height of the tower, TV tower? So height of the TV tower h equals to, here is the x root 3. So x root 3. Put the value of x, which is 10, and into root 3. In place of root 3, we can put 1.732. So value of the height of the tower, that is 17.32 meter. That is the answer. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 11. Now we will go to solve the next question, that is the question number 12. Now in question number 12, from the top of a 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. Now from the top of a 7 meter high building, that is the height of the building is 7 meter. So suppose that there is the building A, B, which is 7 meter high, and suppose that this is the ground level. Okay. Now the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. Suppose that at by some distance there is a cable tower and the angle of elevation from the top of the building, that is 60 degree. Okay. And suppose cable tower is CD, and next, and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree, and the angle of depression, that is 45 degree. Now determine the height of the tower. So here is the height of the building is 7 meter, and now we can calculate the value of the base. And in that question, this is, we have to determine the height of the tower. Suppose that the total height of the tower is h. Let's assume it. Now here will be, we can calculate the, if there is a height, that is the height of the building. If there is 7, then this will be also 7. So right here is the point E, and this value will be 7. Okay, and this point, suppose that x. Okay, now in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, ABD. Apply tan 45 degree. Tan 45 that is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is AB, so write AB and divide by base, that is BD, equals to, in place of AB we can put 7, in place of BD suppose that this is also BD because we have to find out this value. Now BD equals to 7 upon tan 45, and now that will be equals to 7 meter because tan 45 equals to 1 and 7 by 1 equals to 7 meter. So this value is 7 meter. If the BD is 7 meter, then also this value will be also 7 meter. Okay. Now in triangle AEC, tan 60 degree, that's equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is CE upon what is the base? AE. Now CE, in place of CE we can put X because we are supposing here, so write here X divided by AE. What is the value of AE? That is 7, so write here 7. So X equals to 7 into tan 60 degree, so that will be 7 root 3. Clear? Now the total height of the tower is X plus 7. Total height of tower equals to 7 plus X, and H equals to 7 plus, in place of X we can put 7 root 3. Now we can take common 7 and this will be 1 plus root 3, and that's equal to 7 into 2.732. Now multiply this. 7 to the 14, 7 3 is 21, and 1 22, and 7 7 is 49, and 2 51. 7 to the 14 and 5 19, and after 3 decimal 1 2 3 right here. That is the answer. That is the height of the TV tower. Okay, and next question will be discussed in next video. So thank you.